Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. Today we are going to cover Devon Energy. It is September 6th. We're back from the holiday weekend. Hope everyone had a great Labor Day weekend and you got to spend some time out there away from work and with family and friends. The last hurrah for summer as we head into September, another new month, and rapidly closing out the year. Let's take a look at Devon Energy. Quick overview. Devon Energy Corporation is a leading independent oil and natural gas exploration and production company. Devon's operations are focused onshore in the United States. The company's portfolio of oil and gas properties provides stable, environmentally responsible production and a platform for future growth. Pro forma for the Devon and WPX merger, the company's fourth quarter 2020 daily production was approximately 300,000 barrels of oil, more than 125,000 barrels of natural gas liquid, and about 920 million cubic feet of natural gas. If you want to know more about them, check them out at www.devonenergy.com. And what do? They are a supplier of oil and natural gas. So they are in the energy sector. Quick look at them on the day. They were down 1.14%, closed out the day September 6th at $69.54. We are talking about Devon Energy Corporation, ticker DVN, again in the energy sector. 52-week range as low as $27.40, as high as $79.40. A market cap of $45.535 billion. A beta of 2.56, so very volatile stock here. You can clearly see the volatility throughout the day. Looks like if you go over here to the days range, as low as 68.91, as high as 71.28. Again, very volatile stock. This is one, to be honest with you, just looking at the volatility, I don't know that I would be interested. I don't like this type of volatility, but let's keep looking. The PE ratio is pretty low at 8.81%. Does have a forward dividend of $6.20 paid out on the year. I believe they pay out quarterly, so divide by 4, and it is a 8.78% yield. Very nice yield, but this, again, very volatile. Maybe one to watch as a yield trap. I would compare this to like an Enbridge and EPD, Enterprise Product Partners. See how they relate, go into their financials, see how their free cash flow has been. Is it consistent? Is it growing? Is it stagnated? Is it going down? I would go into their statistics, see how long they've been paying dividend, what their average dividend rate is. Is this higher or lower than that? Again, I would definitely look more into this one. Very, very volatile stock. 2.56 is extreme volatility. Not one that I'd really be interested in unless I did a lot more research on it. Ex-dividend date coming up on the 9th of September. And according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information, they have a one-year target estimate of $78.42 per share. Now, according to stockanalysis.com, where I pulled this information, not affiliated, and the 35 stock analysts they've had to take a look at it, they say it is a consensus buy. They have a low estimate of $58.48. That would be a 15.9% decrease in stock price from where it currently sits at $69.54. They have an average price target of $79.59, which would be a 14.45% upside. And if it happened to hit their high of $120.75, that would be a 73.64% upside. And if you did pick it up, you'd be waiting on this 120 while you collected that 8% plus dividend yield. Obviously, if you could get it lower, the lower the better. The previous slide we saw, it was down in the high 20s at one point. So if you could get it down in there, maybe it takes away some of the fear around the stock. But again, real volatile. You want to watch yourself on volatile stocks. I'm in a couple right now that I'm probably going to be closing out on, more speculative in nature. I may actually just sell out everything and redo my entire portfolio. I do that from time to time. Not something I recommend, but for me, I have to do some other things like tax harvesting as well. So this one, again, extremely volatile. Might be one to watch or put on your watch list. Not really interested at this time. For me, I would prefer to stay in Enbridge or EPD, Enterprise Product Partners, for a gas and oil supplier. This is where I'd show you if I have any shares. I do not. Obviously, again, I'd stay in Enbridge or Enterprise Product Partners in this particular sector here, for me anyway. But maybe Devon's one that you guys have. If you guys do have it, let me know what you think of the stock. Let me know what you think of the company. And really, that's it. Trying to find value in this market. A lot of red today. A lot of stocks down. To be honest with you, 3M is one I watched again drop. Starting to get a little concerned with the news I'm seeing coming out of their recent spinoff that's on hold because of some litigation issues and additional litigation issues. So very volatile time in the market right now. Not really one I would look for less volatility. Devon Energy is not one that I'm particularly looking at. Just saw that it was down and read a couple articles about it this weekend that it may be an energy play, so thought I would present it. With that said, as always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to ring the bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of Devon Energy. Is it one in your portfolio? Is it one you're watching? Do you have others like it? Like I said, like Enbridge and Enterprise Product Partners. Also suppliers of natural oil and gas. Let me know down in the comment section below. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, suggestions for future topics, opinions, constructive criticism as well. Drop it in the comment section. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Again, hope you had a great weekend and off to a relatively short week, but let's knock this one out and move on to the next one. Thanks. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can't lose money. You should never invest any amount not comfortable losing. Always do your own research, best based on your situation, circumstances, and select criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.